funny man. Itu the mumu.
Angel baby. Angel na rice.
You are an idiot.
Fried rice and chicken.
So where they go like this?
And they go party.
Just wait, make I help you carry am. You know, I know they chop too much. You know, it's not one plate of rice. It's okay.
Hey!
Where they go?
For Melly, the funny man. Itu the mumu. Itu the talk. Hey, I talk am. Angel don't finish me. If I buy this girl, huh?
Oh, finally we don't reach.
Hey!
I await them. Mona do make a job.
I am Mukuliti.
Yeah, I know they chop too much. If it's not one plate, it's okay for me.
Angel, what is that?
Which kind of question with that one? Nah, rice now.
Sister, my mama said make I bring this pure water for you.
Okay, the pure water.
Yes, later we come and collect the cooler.
What's going on here? Jesus!
Uncle, thank you.
Hey!
Okay, you say na food carry you come here. I beg take this one. God bless person.
Jesus!